So now we're going to shift our focus from design and engineering, and we're going to move on to the operations phase of the life cycle. And this is where, as Nicholas mentioned earlier, Bentley Asset Analytics plays a key role in combining existing products and solutions that we have today with brand new innovations and recent acquisitions. Using AI, it leverages data and analytics to ensure that assets remain safe, reliable, and resilient. This approach is especially important for critical infrastructure like bridges and dams, where monitoring and maintenance are key to ensuring long-term safety and performance. And most owner-operators are responsible for massive swaths of infrastructure, covering tens of thousands of kilometers or tens of thousands of individual assets even. And capturing and analyzing that asset data and linking it to operations and maintenance workflows is essential to making things run smoothly. But of course, that requires time and it requires a lot of resources, something that they're very short on. So to talk more about Bentley Asset Analytics and how it can tackle these challenges, please join me in welcoming to the stage Mike Schalhaes.
So I started out for God knows where.
Welcome, Mike. Thank you. I'm thrilled to be here.
Great
to have you here. So tell us about the advances that we're making in this area.
Yeah, sure. First, let's focus on Blyncsy and their roadway asset and condition capabilities. Blyncsy is a roadway insights platform that uses crowdsourced image data collection combined with powerful machine learning models. Roadway networks are large and complex, with a massive inventory to manage. Things like lane markings, signage, lighting, guardrails, impact attenuators, and so much more. And while AI can help analyze asset conditions and prioritize maintenance, many transportation departments need a solid inventory first. Blynksy's real-time, crowdsourced asset inventory technology offers a fast and accurate way for departments to build and constantly maintain that inventory at any scale.
So once they have that data all collected, then they can use AI to drive insights.
That's right. Exactly. AI can help identify roadside assets and assess their conditions, everything from a broken stop sign to a faulty street light to a fresh pothole. The technology helps DOTs prioritize safety and efficiency and spend more time fixing problems instead of finding them. These insights feed directly into the infrastructure digital twin, the iTwin, and are presented in iTwin Experience to show the latest conditions in context. We estimate this automated technology cuts inspection times by up to 90%. This requires fewer resources and truck rolls, and in some cases allows for inspections that couldn't otherwise happen.
What transportation departments are using Blyncsy today?
Yeah, so right now we're partnering with the city of Fort Worth, Texas to automate inspections for streetlights, road signs, and paint lines. And additionally, we're working with the Alaska Department of Transportation to conduct weekly inspections in their major cities. This includes detecting roadway issues such as pavement conditions, guardrail damage, sign inventory, snow removal, and much more. And Blynksy's technology goes beyond just asset inventory and damage detection. It also helps DOTs comply with federal regulations as well.
And how about beyond transportation? What other sectors can benefit from these kinds of approaches?
Absolutely. The other industry we're looking at here is telecommunications. It's another industry that they're facing challenges with data accuracy, collaboration, and asset assessment. For today's tower owners and operators, verifying and maintaining asset inventory and conditions can be a significant burden. Many telecom operators lack the reliable information about their assets, leading to higher project costs and delays. And the problem is compounded by data silos among stakeholders, which create barriers to collaboration. When you consider the hundreds of thousands of towers out there, it becomes a complex issue to tackle. And relying on manual inspections strains resources, takes too long, and it risks employee safety. OpenTower IQ addresses these challenges by using imagery captured by drones and other data sources to automate every stage of the tower lifecycle. This includes data acquisition, visualization, planning, structural analysis, site design, engineering, maintenance, and approvals. And like Blyncsy, OpenTower IQ leverages AI to identify towers and assess any issues that could affect their operability. Demand for creating these iTwins is so high that in the past year, we've been able to automate asset inventory and equipment detection for over 25,000 towers, which represents over 17% of the cell towers in the United States. And we're seeing growing demand internationally as well.
That's great. Mike, thank you very much for telling us about these advances. And this is a key focus area for us at Bentley and really demonstrates our commitment to brownfield asset resiliency. So thank you.
Thank you, Mike.